Hi everyone, so I'm back with a little craft with me. So today I'm using one of the pages from my butterfly digital kit, which is over on my coffee shop, and I will link that below. So I'm going to make these little 3D butterfly journal tags for my journal that I'm working in. So you can see here that I've obviously cut it out and I've backed it onto some cardstock. I'm just inking up around the edges with some vintage photo distress ink. Actually I think it was oxide ink, but it was one of the other. So just inking that up, and with this they come in various sizes, and you get butterflies and things to kind of make the 3D effect on the journal cards. So here you can see I'm just inking up the butterflies. I backed them onto a couple of layers of book pages, because obviously they're going to be, have that 3D look, so we don't want them flimsy, we want them nice and strong. Here I'm just using some Fabri-Tac to just glue the middles of the butterflies, so that obviously the sides can fold up. And then I'm just doing the other one, giving the other tag a little bit of time to dry, and we just pop that on there as well. So you get 10 pages with this kit, and I think one of the pages or two of the pages are blank, as in they haven't got they've got all the design but they haven't got the butterflies in them. So if you didn't want to put a butterfly in it, you didn't have to, you could put something else. So let's me put on my 2 butterflies on each one, and I'm just using some mesh bling in the kind of like diamante style, like the silvery colour, and I'm just putting some Fabri-Tac down the middle and then just popping that on there. And then I do the other one and then discovered that the butterfly wasn't stuck down properly, so I popped that on thinking maybe it just needed a little bit extra to stick down, but no, I needed to put a little bit more glue on. So you see me do that in a second. Here we go, another little blob, and it stuck down really well. So this is like a really quick make for you to do. And then here you can see I'm showing you the 3D look. I'm just using my hole punch to punch a hole, because I'm going to thread. Wasn't sure whether I was going to put some of the sari silk or the white thin ribbon, but I went with the sari silk. And that was literally the last pieces that I have left, I think. Then I say that, and then I go digging for stuff, and then I find a big ball of it somewhere, because I'm not very good at putting things back where I got them. Not in the craft. In the house I know where everything is. In here I kind of know where things are, but then like I pull them out and then I just don't put them back where I got them from. So I struggled with this one because it got caught up a little bit. And yep, there, I should have just left it because I trimmed it down anyway. So you could add anything. You could use twine, ribbon, sari silk. You don't have to add anything, you could keep it as it is. You could pop a tab on the top. It's just your own personal preference when it comes to tags. Sometimes I think a tag just looks good without a tab or a hole. So there we have it, easy peasy. Like I said, I'll put a link down in the description box to this little kit over on my coffee shop, and you can look at all the various colours of them and you can make your own little tags. So there we have it. So have a great day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.